So we're out here today, we pulling bumpers off of this car. Trying to get the bumper off, get the new bumper on. Got my son helping me here. What's your name?
Or Tuesday.
Okay, so you ready? Hold it here. You know, actually, last time I drove this car, right before I started tearing it apart to paint it, me and Easton was riding in this. He was in the back and he was telling me how much he liked the car. You got a couple on there?
I got them all on there.
Here goes some napkin for that anti-seize on your hand.
But yeah, you gotta go pick them up. Let me know where you want it.
Can you hold it here and let me hold it for a minute? Let me go look and see what it looks like. Alright, that looks good right there. Let me see where. Let me drop down some. Is that far down and ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good, right? Scoot to this side, scoot to this side. I'll quit holding it. All right. We got the front bumper on there. I got some wax on it. It's good, man. I remember when I was young, I could hop around like that. Many, many moons. Tight?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
It's getting there.
Yeah.
It's getting there. I got it all out here. See, I got this wax. You see the sun is out. But this wax, you can leave it sitting out here all day with this wax. It's called California Custom. And you can leave that wax on there all day. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back and just show you. This thing been sitting out here for about 3 hours out in the sun. Hey RJ, bring me that blue towel that's sitting right on top up there. Use the side that's got the softness to it and just wipe down on this.
Where?
Just go in that corner over there, anywhere. Just wipe, and it's gonna show how easy this stuff wipes off. This stuff been sitting on this car. This California Custom is sitting on the car all day. You ain't gotta worry. Look how easy that wipes off of there. Just that fine. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah, see, look, you can see the house. That's what I'm talking about. That's a paint job. All right. All right, one more step. All right, one more step closer to being done. I got it waxed earlier with the California Custom. Man, you can see the house in there. I just, man, that's beautiful. And of course, you know, here at All Things Buick, I do all my painting, all my buffing. I do all my own interior. Still got a few more things to do. Man, I need one of these here. I need actually both of them. Need the bezels for around the lights, or the chrome around the lights. The other one is really, really bad. I'm gonna have to put it on there, but the 79s are not the same, so this is a 77, but I got it all waxed up today with the California Custom. It's turning out pretty good, so it's getting close. I just got one more door panel to put on, and I got a little work to do to the dash. Put the front chrome piece on here and the emblem, and I got one back corner that I did not paint. But the good thing about black, whether you know it or not, is that you can paint black pieces separately if they ain't got no metallics. And this is just a basic 77 black, so I can paint that corner piece separate. But after that, and then I want to get the trim piece here that goes around here. I want to get that the same color as my pinstripe. So I got to go to my paint guy and have him mix me up that same color there, because I want this stripe to go be that color there. Now, I was thinking about dyeing this top the color of the pinstriping, but I'm not sure if I just want to dye it back black, or what should I do there. You guys let me know. What do you think? It'll look better with the, because I'm leaving this car, it's gonna just have I'm leaving the Buick rims on here, and I'm gonna put it up for sale. So, but I really like 30 spokes, but I love when they just original with the Buick mags on there. So I don't really like these days. I like keeping my car simple. So You guys let me know. What do you think I should do to do that top? What color should I do that top? I'm gonna put it up for sale, but if it don't sell right away, then I'll be doing more and more to the car, you know. So, all right, you guys, if you like these videos, please subscribe. Man, look, you see the house all in that trunk. Oh man, all right, let me quit.